Sushant, we would like to talk to you about your upcoming movie, MS Dhoni. And we don't just have questions, we have like a segment of really fun questions, like true or false, and we actually do the following.
All right.
So you need to be really quick with them. But first we'll start with the easy ones.
Okay.
So, MS Dhoni is one of the most awaited film of the year. Does that make you nervous?
No, excited.
Yeah?
Yeah, because the kind of experience I've had, it was way good, and when it resonates, you feel even better. So yeah, excited.
Can you tell us about one of your experiences?
It's just that there are things that you know, but then you don't know how practical they are. Like I always knew that living in the present is so important. I always knew that believing in the dreams is so important.
Right.
But when you see it happening and experience it while doing a film, it's very enriching.
Okay. What was the most challenging part, like when you were shooting for the movie? What was one thing you had to give up and it was really challenging?
Give up about nothing.
Nothing as
No,
such?
I think it's just time, and then you don't get to know about time because you're so much interested in the work. So it's only when you finish it and you look back and like, oh, like 18 months have gone into this. But that's fine.
What was one thing about Sir Dhoni which you did not know, but during the shoot you discovered?
That is actually true. He's got a great quality of not thinking about the future and the past. He's there, alive, 100% experiencing things in the present.
We know you trained really hard for the role.
We're supposed to do that.
You're supposed to do that. So what was your day like during the preparations?
It was like it's structured very well because first 3-4 months of preparation I didn't have the script. The script was written at that point of time. So I was working on my cricketing skills, and I was just watching the man for hours and hours because all these mannerisms and nuances. I didn't want to think about those deliberately when I'm shooting for it. So that was the intent. So I thought of subconsciously picking it up. So it only happens when you stay over a period of time and completely immersing into that. So I was watching videos, I was listening to his audios, or behaving like him. So that was it for the first 3-4 months. And once the script was ready, then me and Neeraj sir, we used to have a lot of readings and conversations about the script, just for me to understand what's the intent of the film and all the scenes.
Okay, we're going to have a round of true or false with you. You need to be really quick.
All right.
You cannot think, you just
True.
No, you have to wait for that. Okay. Sushant Singh Rajput is single.
Sorry?
Sushant Singh Rajput is single.
True.
You have signed Salman Khan's next venture with Jacqueline Fernandez.
Can't say.
True or false?
I don't know whether it's true or not. Yeah.
Salman Khan does not know Sushant Singh Rajput.
That's what he said. True.
MS Dhoni took a fatter paycheck than you for the film.
He should. I don't know, but then he should.
True or is it false?
I don't know.
Okay. This is reaction to the following. This will be even quicker now.
Okay.
Rumors about Rating Cream Cinema.
What would you like to say about it?
You just have to react to it. Whatever your reaction
Really?
would be.
Where is the camera? Really?
Okay. Your fallout with Aditya Chopra.
Really? No.
Some different reaction.
No, it was just the 3 years of contract that we were supposed to
Okay.
be together with. It was over 3 years. Yeah.
Reaction to Ankita Lokhande's fire accident.
Yeah, it was disheartening.
Okay. Okay. So this is your pick. You have to choose one or them. Okay. Like say Deepika or Priyanka, who is a better actor, according to you?
I was there recently, Priyanka.
Recently.
Yeah.
Kangana or Katrina, who is hotter?
Kangana?
Katrina.
Katrina.
Okay. Who would you like to romance in your next film, Alia or Shraddha?
What if it's not a romantic film?
But what if it is? Then who would you choose?
What?
Who would you choose? Alia Bhatt or Shraddha Kapoor?
They have to decide to work with me, man. For some reason, actresses they just don't want to work with me.
Okay. Who would you say is your bigger competition? Like, who's more like competitive? Siddharth Malhotra or Varun Dhawan?
Competition?
Yeah, competition.
So, I'm making a lot of money. I'm doing the films that I want to do. So there's no competition. No, absolutely not.
Next question. Okay. Whose film would you like to work in next? Rajkumar Hirani or Sanjeev Rahman?
Rajkumar Hirani, of course.
Why so?
Love his work. There's a great simplicity in his in his story. You know, he deals with very complicated thoughts, but the communication is very simple.
Would you like to say, give any message out for the Bollywood like viewers, for your movies, for anything, any message?
Yeah, my movie is releasing on 30th of September. Please come and watch it so that I continue doing films. So yeah, it's a very nice film, very engaging film, very inspiring film, very entertaining film. So please come and watch it.
Thank you.
Okay.